we all felt, he's someone who can be a really good opener, in the sense he's someone who cuts and pulls really well. And also, with two openers, you want one of the openers to be slightly aggressive than the other. So I think he accepted the challenge, in the sense he also felt, he got into the side because Manoj was unfit, and that's how he got into the side. So I think it was an opportunity for him. The good thing, he took it as a challenge, and I'm glad that he scored runs, because he's one of the most God-gifted talent, that's around. So it's very important that he capitalizes that. And of course, innings like this was very much needed for him. It will give him a lot of confidence and also some time, at the top level. So, I think personally I'm very happy for him. क्योंकि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि एक ही इंडिविजुअल हर बार मैच फिनिश करेगा. तो इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि जो 5, 6, 7 पे जो बैट्समैन है, उनको एक ऐसी टेंडेंसी या ऐसी हैबिट बन जाए कि वो मैच जिता के बाहर आए. तो I think he has learned it, but at the same time he has to curb his instincts, because naturally he's an aggressive player. He loves to play his strokes, but he has to curb it for the interest of the team. But I feel it will be good if slowly we can give him some chance to bat slightly up the order, because 5, 6 and 7 you don't get much opportunity. आई थिंक ओवरऑल हम खुश हैं बॉलर्स के परफॉर्मेंस से, क्योंकि आपको ये भी देखना होगा कि नए बॉलर्स हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा उन्होंने इंटरनेशनल मैचेस नहीं खेले हैं. अगर आप शामी की बात करें तो जो भी उन्होंने 3-4 मैचेस खेले वहाँ सीमिंग कंडीशन में खेले, जहाँ पे उनको स्लॉग में डालने की ज़रूरत ही ना पड़ी. तो आई थिंक दे विल लर्न फ्रॉम दीज गेम्स. और 5 फील्डर अगर अंदर रहते हैं तो काफ़ी बार देखा जाएगा कि लास्ट 10 ओवर में 100 रन भी बन सकते हैं. हमने कुछ चीज़ें अलग की थी. हमने जडेजा के 1-2 ओवर रखे थे, अश्विन का 1-2 ओवर रखा था, बिकॉज वी थॉट समवेयर कि मे बी फास्ट बॉलर्स नहीं डाल पाएंगे एट द एंड. ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्योंकि दे हैव नॉट प्लेड अ लॉट ऑफ ODI क्रिकेट रिसेंटली, स्पेशली द डेथ ओवर्स. बट ओवरऑल लास्ट 10 ओवर अगर पूरा देखे तो 100 रन भी अगर गए तो इट वॉज वेल विद इन द रीच. Who is the best available talent, and you have to give those guys a bit of a rope. And I don't know what would have happened if he had not scored runs, or or in any other scenario. So the best that we could have done as of now was to give him another chance in the next game and then see, because we are not playing too many ODIs after that. So we all felt he's very talented. He got an opportunity in the last series that we played in Sri Lanka, where he got a few good deliveries. And what we have seen is cricket is a game where once you are going through a lean patch, all the good deliveries they're for you to face, and all the good catches are definitely from the edge of your bat. So it's a very cruel game, and you must have analyzed, covering cricket for so long, it always goes that way. So that's why I said, I'm really happy for him, because he can really contribute, with a bit of work on his off-spin bowling, he can be a good contributor for the side. This particular series, whatever games he has played, he has bowled really well. If you see the first 5, 6 or 7 overs, he has bowled really well. Those overs, he has troubled the batsman. Last few overs, he has gone for run, but we all don't know as of now as to what is a good number in the last few overs in the slogs, with 5 fielders inside. So I think overall we'll spend some time to see where he stands. But it's not only him, the opposition bowlers also, they are also going for runs in the last 10 overs. So I think overall I'm happy with his performance. He's a decent fielder, he's a good fielder, and he's bowling those 5, 6 overs really well for us. And also the fact that he's bowling one chain with a semi-new ball. We were told about it, but I think the easiest thing to do is ask him not to, touch the stumps. I think it will remove all the controversies. There's plenty of space to bowl from, so no need to, interfere with the stumps. And if you do, your side may lose because of that one particular delivery, like what happened in this particular game.